Hello, I am Josh Dengler, Dan's son, and I'm going to show you how to start a Stihl 261 chainsaw.
462.
462, sorry. So, first, you got to squeeze the throttle for choke. It's off right now, but so you got to turn it on and then squeeze throttle and then push down and then let go of the throttle before you take the thumb off there or whatever finger you like to use. This is the chain brake. You set it by pushing and pull it to make the chain brake go off. Okay, so now you can put your foot in there.
There's a decompression valve that makes it easier to pull.
There's a decompression valve, so if this button's off, that means it's harder to start. If it's on, it's easier to start.
To pull the cord.
To pull the cord.
Yep.
And start it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Turn it over sideways on that level spot. There you go.
So now, you can put your foot in there, but my boot's almost too big. It's kind of perfect. Whatever you'd like, I put my foot on here.
Right. Well, and you're left-handed too, right?
Yeah, I'm left-handed.
Yeah, so that makes it a little different. As most guys would come in on this side with a right foot right here, you know. But,
yeah.
But Josh is, so if this is like if you're left-handed, this is the way to do it. You put your foot on top and your other toe in there a little bit, right?
Yep. So now, I like to put mine on top. Whatever you prefer, you can put it there. There, right there.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm gonna start it.
Putting your ear protection on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because it's really loud.
Is that decompression valve on? Pushed in? Yeah?
It's on.
Okay.
I can't.
Yeah, that's a little early to say I can't. Just mean it. Get a little more mad at it. A little grunt factor. Ooh, that was a better pull. Another one like that, harder. So now what do? Now just warm it up a little bit. No, leave that on.
That was the first time I've ever started a huge 462 in my life.
You forgot. You've done that before.
No, already when it was warmed up in your.
That's true. That's his first cold start. I knew you could do it.
I knew I could. Yay, me.
You said I can't in the middle.
Yeah. Forget about that.
Yep. Anyhow.
I started it.
Good job, Josh.
Thing.
Good job. Yep. Very good.
Now I believe, is the 460 harder or easier to start than this?
It's harder because it's older saw. It's got less compression. It's maybe a little easier to pull the cord because it's older, but it takes me a lot more pulls to get it started.
So yeah, even his 38, he had to fix the cord because he pulled it way too hard. But I don't even think he
yeah, that old 38 broke in it. Yep. But no, this one it's a little bit more pressure. It takes a little more force to pull the cord.
Yeah.
Than the 460. But it will start running easier because it's finely tuned and it's pretty much brand new.
I started a brand new saw, yay me! I've never done it before.
Okay, almost 5-minute video. Over and out.